We're going to take a look at American Airlines here on the weekly chart. You can see we're trading right below this 9-day EMA, went up and touched it in here so far on the week. That EMA is trading at that $12 psych level. That's going to be a big level for us in here to breach and hold. We're trading right in those mid 11s right now. So it's going to be interesting to see what is going to come first. Are we going to breach below this $11 level here, or are we going to get above the $12? If anything below that $11, or it's really 10.92, but anything below 11, then really there's nothing really in here to save us until you get all the way down here to right around that 9.10. But if we can get above that $12 level here, that 9-day EMA, then we're looking up at that 12.73. And then we're looking at this 200 SMA, that pink line right here. That's going to be trading right around that $14 mark. Now, as far as our implied volatility, it's sitting right at 29. So your IB rank is at 29 in here with a raw volatility in this expiration cycle right around 76. So decent enough in here. It's not juiced like you would think it would be on a little pullback, but overall, still decent enough IV on your options, calls, and inputs in here to play with and get a contraction or maybe a larger expansion. 46-cent expected move priced in by this Friday, next Friday, right around 67 cents. And then you do have earnings coming up October 23rd. So we have to kind of keep that in mind as we begin the next earnings cycle, how all the cyclicals, how industrials, how everything's going to react, even with the overall market. Obviously, everybody is planning on the tech stocks just to go off like they did last earnings cycle, right? But we have to see what all of these kind of mainstream industrials are going to do and how they're going to react, especially American Airlines, Delta, all your cruise lines, things like that. How is that going to affect the overall market? What has inflation done or has not done to any of these sectors? So kind of keep that in mind as we're playing this. But really, we're looking at 12 and we're looking at 11, making it nice and easy in here. If we break to the upside, then we're playing it to 12.73. Downside, we're looking down here right around that $9 level because there's really nothing to kind of save us until we get down to there. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.